Hello students, welcome to SK Biology. From our last lecture, we started studying organs of immune system. In that lecture, we have covered primary lymphoid organs. Today, we are going to discuss about secondary lymphoid organs. Secondary lymphoid organs are the sites where mature immune cells interact with antigen and initiate immune response. These secondary lymphoid organs are important in immune system so that we are getting immune response against infections. The major secondary lymphoid organs are lymph node, spleen, tonsils, Peyer's patches and appendix. Let us understand all these organs one by one. The first one is lymph node. Lymph nodes are small bean-shaped organs located along lymphatic vessels as shown in figure. They filter lymph fluid and trap pathogens like bacteria and viruses. The internal structure of lymph node is covered by connective capsule. Inside capsule, cortex which contains lymphoid follicle which is rich in B lymphocytes. Some follicles contains germinal center where B cells multiply rapidly. Below the cortex is paracortex which is rich in T lymphocytes. The inner region is called as medulla, which contains medullary cords and medullary sinus filled with lymphocytes and macrophages. Lymph enters through afferent lymphatic vessels, passes through the sinus for filtration and leaves through the efferent lymphatic vessels. Coming to the functions of lymph node, it filters lymph fluid, traps pathogen and foreign particles and activates lymphocytes. Lymph node has importance that swollen lymph nodes often indicates infection or immune activity. Next, secondary lymphoid organ is spleen. The spleen is the largest lymphoid organ and it is located in the upper left side of abdomen. Internal structure as shown in here, spleen has outer capsule and divided into two main regions. First one is white pulp which contains lymphocytes and is responsible for immune response. And second region is red pulp. It contains blood-filled spaces and removes old or damaged RBCs. Blood enters the spleen through the splenic artery and is filtered before leaving through the splenic vein. Functions of spleen are: it filters blood, removes old RBCs, destroys blood-borne pathogen and stores lymphocytes and macrophages. These spleens are important as it acts as a both blood filtration organ and immune defense center. Third secondary lymphoid organ is tonsils. Tonsils are lymphoid tissues located at the entrance of throat. The internal structure of tonsils are covered by epithelium and contains deep folds called crypts. These crypts traps microbes entering through food and air inside. Lymphoid follicle rich in lymphocytes help initiate immune response. It functions as to protect against inhaled and ingested pathogens, and also it traps microbes entering through the mouth and nose. It is important as they provide local immunity in the respiratory and digestive tracts. The fourth organ is Peyer's patches. Peyer's patches are groups of lymphoid tissue present in the small intestine, especially in the ileum. The internal structure, it consists of clusters of lymphoid follicles beneath the intestinal lining. Specialized cells called M cells help in the transport antigen from intestine to immune cells. It functions as it monitors intestinal microbes and protects the digestive tract from infections. It is playing important role in the gut immunity. The last secondary lymphoid organ is appendix. The appendix is a small finger-like structure attached to the large intestine. Internal structure of appendix. Its wall contains abundant lymphoid tissue with many lymphocytes and lymphoid follicle. These tissues help monitor intestinal microbes. Appendix functions by supporting immune response and it maintains beneficial gut bacteria. Appendix is important as it contributes to intestinal immunity and microbial balance. This is all about secondary lymphoid organs. Secondary lymphoid organs are essential for immune defense. They provide sites where immune cells recognize antigens, become activated, and protect the body from infections.